Follow along with me unboxing the Monster High Catty Noir doll. The doll looks picture perfect in her stage-ready look, complete with numerous themed accessories for imaginative play and dress-up fun. The Werecat features striking pink hair with micro-braids and wears a stylish dress with a cracked mirror print, statement sleeves, and knee-high boots. Accessories include a backpack, microphone, sheet music, broken mirror, iCoffin, water bottle, and sunglasses, enhancing the storytelling possibilities. With her Sphinx cat, Amulette, Catty Noir is ready for performances and hanging out with friends. This doll will be a great addition to our doll collection at home.